Hi traders, Friday, market is moving up so far. I'm shorting HFC, nice downtrend, short 1000 shares. MOS, Mosaic, same thing. The low is 63.27, I'm shorting 1000 shares, nice downtrend. HFC is giving me some trouble. About to break the lows, at least I hope so. 27 is the low. And here we go. Look at the sellers. Sellers moved down to 26, 25 now. It's looking better. MPC, same thing, same idea. Nice downtrend, shorting 1000 shares. Low is quite close. And I'm looking for a breakdown, and here we go. I let the trend work for me in all of these three shares. Look at the volume. Volume is growing, that's a good sign. Okay, we're moving. I'm up 140. Market seems to be topping here. I have the feeling that we're going to have a move to the downside. I'm against the market direction. It's not a good idea usually, but I think it will work this time. I'll take one with the market direction. LTD, I'm buying 1000 shares, looking for a continuation. It's down at the beginning of the day, but it moved up with quite a nice volume, so I expect we'll see some upside movement. AGS shorting. I couldn't do it for some reason. Oh, no buying power. Okay, 600 shares. I'm out of buying power. I have 300,000 buying power, and I could short only 600 shares right now. That's a shame. I really like it. Okay. Just moved to a new low. That's good. HFC again. It's holding the lows. Should take a partial somewhere around here. I'm up 140. Market is really starting to retrace, and I like it. I hope it's going to continue now. It's just the beginning of the trading day, first 30 minutes. So look at that. Usually what happens in the first 30 minutes is that we're seeing in many times the high or the low of the day. And this is what I'm counting on right now, that we'll see a move to the downside. This is why I'm shorting. HFC is holding the low, but it's up $180. I'm getting ready to buy. I'll take the 180. It's holding it for too long. Okay, up 180. I have another 3 shorts and 1 long. MPC looking good. Didn't quite reach my target. It's up 160. Market is helping me. Look at that. That's a good sign. Should continue. Low is 61. Right at the low. I'm up $210. 220, 230. We're moving. Just at a new low. Here comes the market. This is what I was hoping for. Looking for just a few more cents. I reached my target, but I think I'm going to use the market momentum for just a little bit more. All the shorts are affected from the market direction. I'm up to 60. The only problem is the long. Market is moving down. That won't help my LTD long. getting ready to buy. Market should stop somewhere around here. Okay, I'm 290. Okay, bought. Just realized that $240. Nice trade. Hess is moving. It's a shame I only have 600 shares, but sure did a fine job. Over 20 cents. Market still helping. Getting ready to buy. Buying. MOS is moving. But I'm going to close first LTD. I'm just lost $50. Market is moving down. I don't want to stick with the longs. Back to MOS. 160. It's finding some support over here, and I'm concerned that the market is going to make a small move to the upside now, so I'll be buying. Okay, bought. $150. Currently $646. It's a good start. Look at OPTR. What a nice downtrend. Shorting 1,000 shares. It's down 7.5%. SWFT, look at the daily, look at the intraday. That's a nice combination. And there's also the $16 whole number, which I hope that it will cross. So I'm buying, just bought 1,400 shares. I think I'm going to I'll add another 600. I'm looking for a breakout over the $16 whole number. And I expect it's going to make a run of 10 to 20 cents, and I'll take a partial somewhere around there. Should break the $16 very soon now. I'm long 2,000 shares. And here goes OPTR. I'm up $470. Hardly moved against me. Just a very nice downtrend. Entered here at $13, 13.01 actually. And right now at 12.54 I'm buying. That's it for OPTR. On the other side, SWFTs didn't quite make it. But it moved over the $16, just 7 cents. Not enough for partial or anything. I'm selling, I'm taking a small loss. That should be enough for the day. I just finished my day with $996. Just hang around for a minute more. There's something I want to talk to you about. Many of you guys ask me about my trading platform. Well, I use a Colmex Pro software, which is available to me by my broker Colmex. Now, it's very important to understand that Colmex is not a US broker, which means for you guys who live in the US, you can't trade with Colmex. It's regulated in the EU. That's an advantage for those of you who live outside the US, because it's a regulated broker who specializes in US equities. Now, why is this so important? Because if you don't live in the US and you open an account with Colmex, it probably has some advantages for you. Like, for example, since it's a financial regulated institute, that means that your money is insured up to 20,000 euros. You can get a trading account for as low as $3,000. Now, you guys who live in the US know that the minimum deposit is $25,000 if you want to day trade. And you can also get a margin of 1 to 20, which means if you deposit $10,000, you can actually trade $200,000. In my account, I deposit only $15,000. I have $300,000 in buying power, but they will not give you 1 to 20 immediately. You should probably start with 1 to 10, and then you can move to 1 to 20. Commissions are relatively low. You can pay as low as 1 cent per share if you're a starter, but if you make much more volume than just a regular beginner, then you'll probably get lower than this. I pay less than that, for example. And there's no monthly fee. Now you can trade stocks, you can trade forex, you can trade CFDs, you can trade futures or even options. And they also have a few trading platforms like the Colmex Expert, which I personally use for swing trading. And then you have the Colmex Expert Mobile, if you want to walk around with your mobile phone. You have the MT4, that's for Forex. You have the MT4 Mobile. And personally for day trading, I use the Colmex Pro Trader. There's also the Colmex Pro Trader CFD, which I also use, and it is probably, if you live outside the US, the best choice for you. Now, if you want to open an account with Colmex or just get more information, you can always email me at meir@tradenet.com, and I'll be very glad to help you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.